Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Prasad and I'm back. I'm thrilled to kick off a new series of videos where we will deep dive into Google Cloud Platform, in short GCP, and explore its various services and tools. In this series, we'll cover everything from the basics to advanced topics, making it a comprehensive learning experience for anyone interested in cloud computing. In our previous video, we introduced the basics of cloud computing and its significant impact on the IT landscape. Today, we are going to take a closer look at three primary cloud service models that drive this technology. The three main cloud service models like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service each offer unique benefits and different levels of control and management. Understanding these models is essential for making smart decisions about cloud adoption and optimizing IT operations. Knowing the ins and outs of IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS helps organizations use cloud technologies effectively, aligning their IT strategies with business goals. Let's try to understand these models in detail. Starting with infrastructure as a service, in short, IaaS. Infrastructure as a service involves renting virtualized computing resources over the internet. Imagine needing a server or storage space rather than purchasing physical hardware. You rent virtual machines, storage, and networking components as needed. The cloud provider, such as Google Cloud, manages the physical hardware, including servers, storage devices, and networking infrastructure. You, as the user, are responsible for managing the virtual machines, operating systems, and applications running on those virtual resources. With IaaS, you maintain significant control over your infrastructure. You can configure and manage virtual machines, select the operating system, and install the applications you require. This level of control is ideal for businesses that need a customized environment. For instance, if you require a specific software stack for your application, IaaS enables you to install and configure everything according to your requirement. One of the most significant benefits of IaaS is scalability. You can easily scale your resources up or down based on your current needs. This flexibility is perfect for businesses with fluctuating demands, ensuring you are never over or under provisioned. If your business experiences a sudden spike in demand, you can quickly add more virtual machines or storage. Conversely, if demand decreases, you can scale back to reduce cost. Another major advantage of infrastructure as a service is cost management. Instead of making substantial investment in physical hardware, you only pay for what you use. This pay-as-you-go model is especially beneficial for startups and small businesses looking to minimize costs. You avoid the upfront capital expenditures associated with purchasing hardware and the ongoing operational cost of maintaining it. By leveraging infrastructure as a service, businesses can allocate their financial resources more effectively and focus on growth and innovation. Finally, infrastructure as a service grants you control over the computing environment. You can customize your infrastructure to optimize performance, security, and compliance. It's ideal for businesses that require a tailored, secure setup. For instance, if your organization needs to comply with specific regulatory standards, infrastructure as a service allows you to implement the necessary security measures and controls. You can also optimize your infrastructure for performance, ensuring that your applications run smoothly and efficiently. Platform as a service, in short, PaaS, provides a platform for developers to build, run, and manage applications. Without the hassle of managing the underlying infrastructure, it offers a complete development and deployment environment, including operating systems, development tools, databases, and web servers. With PaaS, developers can focus on coding and developing applications. The cloud provider handles the infrastructure, middleware, and runtime environment. This separation allows for faster development cycles and reduce the complexity of managing systems. Developers can concentrate on writing code while the platform manages the heavy lifting of infrastructure management. One of the key advantages of PaaS is the speed of development. Pre-configured environments and development tools enable developers to quickly prototype, develop, and deploy applications. This rapid development capability is a game changer for businesses needing to bring products to market quickly. By providing an integrated development environment, PaaS accelerates the development process and reduces time to market. PaaS also offers built-in scalability. As application usage grows, the platform can automatically scale resources to handle the increased load. This ensures that applications remain responsive and performant even during peak times, without manual intervention. The platform's ability to scale resources dynamically allows developers to focus on building features and improving user experience. Moreover, PaaS provides a range of integrated tools and services that streamline the development process. These can include version control systems, continuous integration and continuous deployment, pipelines, and monitoring and logging services. These tools enhance productivity and simplify the development workflow. Developers have access to a suite of tools that facilitates collaboration, testing, and deployment, making the entire development lifecycle more efficient. Another benefit of PaaS is cost savings on development tools and infrastructure. Since the platform provides all the necessary tools and environments, businesses don't need to invest in any additional software or hardware. This can lead to significant savings, especially for startups and small businesses. Finally, PaaS platform often comes with built-in security features. The cloud provider implements security measures to protect the underlying infrastructure, allowing developers to focus on application-level security. This layered security approach ensures that applications are secure from the ground up. Next, Software as a Service, in short SaaS. Software as a Service delivers software applications over the internet. Users access the software via a web browser or dedicated app, while the cloud provider manages the underlying infrastructure, platform, and application maintenance. SaaS offers a high level of convenience and ease of use. Users can access the software from anywhere with an internet connection, making it ideal for remote work and collaboration. The provider handles all aspects of maintenance, including updates, patches, and security, freeing users from these responsibilities. This model is especially beneficial for businesses that need to provide software access to a distributed workforce. One of the main benefits of SaaS is its cost effectiveness. SaaS applications are typically offered on a subscription basis, reducing the need for large upfront investments in software licenses and infrastructure. This model makes it easier for businesses to manage software expenses and scale usage as needed. Instead of purchasing licenses for each user, businesses can subscribe to the service and pay based on the number of users or usage. SaaS applications are designed to be highly scalable. As the number of users grows, the provider can seamlessly scale the applications to accommodate the increased load. This scalability ensures consistent performance regardless of user volume or data size. The provider manages the infrastructure and ensures that the application remains available and responsive. Furthermore, SaaS applications often comes with built-in integrations and APIs, allowing them to connect easily with other software and services. This interoperability enables businesses to create a cohesive IT ecosystem where different applications work together seamlessly, enhancing overall efficiency and productivity. Businesses can integrate SaaS applications with their existing systems, creating a unified workflow and improving data flow across the organization. Another advantage of SaaS is the ease of deployment and updates. Since the provider handles all the updates and maintenance, businesses don't need to worry about software upgrades or patches. This reduces the burden on IT staff and ensures that users always have access to the latest features and security improvements. Finally, SaaS providers typically offer robust customer support and training resources. Users can access help through various channels, including online documentation, tutorials, and customer support teams. This ensures that users can quickly resolve issues and make the most of the software. To make these concepts easier to understand, let's use the analogy of cooking a pizza. You can compare infrastructure as a service with making pizza at home. First of all, you need to buy ingredients, you have to prepare the equipment, cook the pizza, serve and enjoy. First of all, you head to the grocery store to purchase all the ingredients that you need, like dough, sauce, cheese, toppings, etc. You also need to have all the kitchen equipment ready, like an oven, rolling pin, and pizza stone. This represents the raw materials and tools you need, similar to setting up virtual machines, storage, and networking components. Once you are home with all the ingredients, you set up your kitchen, ensuring all your equipment is clean and ready to use. This setup involves configuring and arranging your infrastructure, similar to setting up servers and network in infrastructure as a service. Once your equipment is ready, you cook the pizza. You start by rolling out the dough, spreading the sauce, adding cheese, and layering your favorite toppings. Then you bake the pizza in your oven. This process mirrors the installation and configuration of your applications on the virtual machines. Once the pizza is perfectly cooked, it's like serve and enjoy. You slice it up and enjoy your meal. In infrastructure as a service, after setting up your infrastructure and applications, you can use the system to meet your business needs. In this scenario, you control every aspect of the pizza making process, from purchasing ingredients to cooking and serving. This mirrors the infrastructure as a service model, where you manage the entire infrastructure, but the cloud provider supplies the fundamental resources. Next, we have platform as a service. You can compare this like cooking a pizza using a pizza kit. Instead of buying all the ingredients separately, you purchase a pizza kit that includes pre-made dough, sauce, cheese, and toppings. The kit is designed to simplify the process by providing everything you need in one package. This is similar to how Platform as a Service provides a pre-configured environment for development. Once you got the kit, you have to follow the kit's instructions to assemble the pizza. The dough is already made, so you just need to spread the sauce and cheese and place the toppings. The kit may also include suggestions or recipes to make the process easier. In Platform as a Service, you focus on building and deploying applications using the tools and environment provided. Once everything is assembled, bake the pizza in your oven. The kit ensures that the cooking process is straightforward with all the necessary steps clearly outlined. This step represents the deployment of your applications in the Platform as a Service environment, where the platform handles the underlying infrastructure. After the pizza is cooked, slice and serve it. Enjoy the delicious result with minimal effort. In Platform as a Service, once your application is deployed, you can use it without worrying about managing the infrastructure. Using a pizza kit simplifies the pizza making process by providing pre-made components and clear instructions. Similarly, PaaS abstracts much of the complexity of infrastructure management, allowing developers to focus on creating and deploying applications. Next, we have Software as a Service. You can compare this like ordering a pizza or dining out. You browse the menu of a local pizza restaurant or an online food delivery app. The menu offers a variety of options, including different types of crusts, sauces, cheese, and toppings. You might see classic options like margherita or pepperoni, as well as gourmet choices like BBQ chicken, or veggie supreme. You can customize your pizza to your liking by selecting your preferred toppings and size. This is similar to selecting a software as a service application that meets your business needs from a range of available options. After deciding on your pizza, you place the order through the app or by calling the restaurant. You provide your address and payment information, and the order is confirmed. The app might offer features like real-time order tracking, estimated delivery times, and promotional discounts. This mirrors subscribing to a SaaS application where you sign up, provide payment details, and gain access to the software. The restaurant staff prepares your pizza according to your specifications. They handle everything from making the dough to baking the pizza in their ovens. Once ready, the pizza is packaged and a delivery driver is dispatched to bring it to your location. You can usually track the delivery in real time, so you know exactly when to expect it. This is akin to the SaaS provider managing all aspects of the software, including updates, maintenance, and infrastructure. When the pizza arrives, you simply open the box, serve yourself a slice, and enjoy. There is no need for any preparation, cooking, or cleanup on your part. The entire process is hassle-free and convenient. This aligns with the SaaS model where you can use the software immediately without worrying about installation, maintenance, or updates. Ordering pizza delivery is the easiest and most convenient option. You don't need to worry about ingredients, preparation, or cooking. You just order, wait, and enjoy. This aligns with the SaaS model where users access software applications over the internet without managing the underlying infrastructure or platform. The provider handles everything, delivering a ready-to-use solution. An important note, guys, while using the pizza analogy helps explain these concepts, it's important to remember that eating out or ordering food frequently may not be the healthiest choice. It's always best to balance convenience with nutritious, home-cooked meals when possible. Eat healthy and stay strong. That's all for this video. Thanks for sticking around until the end of the video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Google Cloud tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or topic you would like me to cover in future videos, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and I'm always here to help. Also, hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when new content is uploaded. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep building amazing things in the cloud. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.